Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make the skull granny square. This measures 7 centimeters by 7 centimeters, but you can make this bigger and I will show you how to do that. First, we are going to make the skull, then the square. So let's get started. You will need the yarn of your choice, 2 colors. Now the size of the granny square will depend on the weight of the yarn that you are using. I'm using Superfine or fingering weight yarn, 2 mm crochet hook, thread cutter or pair of scissors, and the yarn needle. Start by making a magic ring. Chain 2. These 3 chains count as a double crochet stitch. Then make 8 more double crochet in the ring. We should have 9 double crochets total since the 3 chains at the beginning count as a double crochet. Okay, to make the ring smaller, pull this end. Chain 5. This is the first eye socket. 1 double crochet in the ring. Chain 3. 1 double crochet in the ring. Chain 5. So this is the second eye socket. And close the ring by pulling this end. To end the round, slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Okay, so that's 1, 2, and there is the 3rd chain. Chain 1. Now make 1 single crochet in each stitch, starting in the first stitch where we made the chain 1. You should have 9 single crochets. Now make 6 single crochet in the 5 chains. Slip stitch in the 3 chains. Chain 2. Then make 2 double crochet in the 3 chains. chain 2, then slip stitch in the same chain free space. Now we work on the second eye socket. Make 6 single crochets. To end, slip stitch in the first stitch. Okay, your work should look like this. Now cut the yarn, and we are going to start working the square. Insert hook in the second stitch, drop the white yarn and connect a new yarn. Chain 3. This count as the first double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2, then make another 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so this one here is the first corner of the square. So the pattern of the corner is 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet. In the second stitch, make double crochet. One half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Next, stitch double crochet. Then make another corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, then another 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch double crochet. One half double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Then make another corner in the next stitch. Next stitch double crochet. Then we make 3 single crochet here. So I will put my first single crochet in this stitch, second, and third. Next stitch, double crochet. Make another corner in the next stitch. One half double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Double crochet in the last stitch. Okay, end the round by slip stitch in the third chain. Okay, so your work should look like this. Next round, chain 3. Double crochet in the next stitch. Then when you reach the corner, make 2 double crochet, chain 2, another 2 double crochet. One double crochet in each stitch. Make sure to start in this stitch because sometimes you don't see this, the corner stitches covers it. When you reach the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and another 2 double crochet. Then continue making 1 double crochet in each stitch. To end, slip stitch in the third chain. Okay, your work should look like this. And this is pretty much the pattern. If you want to make the square bigger, depending on your project, just repeat the last round. Okay, so here I will show you. I added one more round. I will use this in a bucket hat project, which, by the way, if you're interested in how to make a skull granny square bucket hat, make sure to stay tuned because that will be the next tutorial that I will be uploading. So now I will just show you how to hide the yarn ends. After hiding the yarn ends, this skull granny square is ready. I hope you like this tutorial and I will see you in my next video. Thank you and happy crochet!